Hello all of you beautiful people, hope all of you are doing very well. Today's video is going to be about my go-to makeup look that I do usually on daily basis. This look hardly takes me to do around 5 to 6 minutes on daily basis, and literally it's just that simple. So firstly, to prep my skin I use Rosehip toner from Good Vibes, and here I am using Mamaearth's Skin Correct serum that has niacinamide and ginger extract. It's good if you have any kind of pigmentation on your face. After putting that serum on my face and neck, I am going to use BB or CC cream on my face. So today I decided to go with Lakme CC cream just because it has 30 plus SPF. That is a plus point for me in these summer days. So I just showed you two options to use if you do not want to apply any kind of foundation or concealer, or you do not want to go any heavy with your base. So you can use either any BB or CC cream that suits your skin type. As this is a daily look, so I am not going to go heavy with my base. The thing with the BB or CC cream is that you can mix it with your fingers, and I feel that it works best when you are mixing it with your fingers. Again, I used the shade beige in Lakme CC cream. Once I blended with my fingers, I went ahead and used a kabuki brush from Miniso to make it seamless because we are going for a natural look. I am using Lakme Sun Expert. It has 40 plus SPF that would work better in the summer times. Just setting my face with the compact lightly. Guys, this is a clean brush that I am using only to blend my base nicely and seamlessly. Now it's time for eyebrows. Today I am using for my eyebrows Miss Claire waterproof eyebrow pencil, and the shade is dark brown. Again, I did not use any additional brush to comb my eyebrows through. It's a mini comb that is already attached with the cap of the eyebrow pencil that I am using here. Again, nothing new. It's Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara in washable. Just to roll out my lashes and lightly curling them here. After coating my upper and lower lashes with the mascara, I am now here going with Plum Nature Studio Black Kajal to only tightline my upper lash line a bit so that it looks fuller. Now I am going to use the same toner to set the face that will melt all the compact powder. It will help you in achieving a natural finish and it would not look any powder. So it's a daily wear look. So I'm not going to do any lip line or anything else. I'm just going straight with my lipstick, and I'm using here Maybelline's Creamy Matte in the shade Nude Nuance. It's a beautiful nude lipstick. Now guys, it's a trick. If you do not want to use many products, or if you do not have any kind of blush to use, then you can definitely make use of your lipstick and just rub it between your fingers and just dab on your cheek. I like to use this trick to get a flushed look on my face. So here we are almost done with the look. Just I'm going to do some hair clipping here and there to frame my face. Just using two clips to pin my side hair. So here comes my daily go-to look using minimal products. Hope you guys liked it. So please like, subscribe, comment down below to let me know what else you guys want me to do. See you guys next time. Bye.